My name is Monique Dotsey and my company is called Imperfect Yet Yummy. The whole idea was from my research at uni. When I was doing my research, I found out that majority of the waste was coming from households, where I was thinking it was from our industry, like hospitality, events, and all this. I was really shocked by these results. So I was thinking about what can be done to change that, because as a chef, as I said earlier, I've thrown a lot of food away. Food waste has been an issue for so many years, but it's still there and it looks like it's not ending yet, but something needs to be done. The whole idea is about training, helping families, children, especially children, because I believe they are the next generation, and whatever they pick up at a young age, they just grow up with it. So that we keep the whole process sustainable. It will be to train them about food waste, healthy eating, and all this before they get into the bad habit, and we have to retrain them, which is much harder. I came to my daughter's school and I just spoke to the head teacher, Mrs. Chitty, and I was like, Mrs. Chitty, I've got this idea. I would like to train the children about food waste. And she was like, yes. I was like, well, yes. She said, yes, come in, we do it. I'm like, really? Yes? Okay, let's try it. Believe it or not, Mrs. Chitty applied for some funding and all this to build a kitchen for the children, because she really believes that this is a very good idea and to bring some value to the children. I won the prize at the Entrepreneur Prize Challenge, and also the Generator Bursary, which was funded by Santander, and those allowed me to buy utensils, equipment for the kitchen, for the children to have something to start working with. The Entrepreneurs Challenge, I think, is one of the most beautiful things I've done. I was a bit scared when I started it, but the generator gave me the confidence. I realized you just need one person to believe in you, and then once they are there, you can't give up, because you know you have someone behind you to push you. My experience was wonderful. I've learned a lot. I gained confidence, and to be honest, the Entrepreneurs Challenge, the Generator team believed more in me than myself at the beginning. So my best advice, maybe the only one, is just go for it.